Life is a series of sales situations. Every day you sell yourself, your ideas, your value, your point of view, your product, or your service. Every sales conversation and presentation is a missed or captured opportunity. If you sound the same as everybody else, you have no advantage. This course is looking at what you are learning about effective presentations, specifically as it relates to the sales process. When you learn how to use the right language in a more effective way, you enjoy a competitive edge in both your sales conversations and presentations. You will have a seemingly unfair advantage if your competition does not know what you are about to learn. Have you ever wondered what most of your important prospects, especially senior executives, say after you or your sales team leave the room after delivering your best sales presentation? Do they say, "Wow, I hope our salespeople are half as good when they present us"? Or do they say, "I'm really disappointed. I expected much better from a company with their reputation"? Consider this. Would it be helpful if your prospects remembered what you said? Would it be beneficial if they could repeat what you said 3 weeks later? Would it be profitable if they could vividly remember why clients just like them chose to do business with you? Our objective is to get you more sales more often and build your reputation through powerful, persuasive, polished sales presentations. Once you understand what makes an average presentation great, it is important to incorporate the changes and practice them consistently. Perhaps you agree that without consistency, there is no true quality. It is better to always be good than occasionally great. If you're a sales manager, you need the confidence of knowing no matter which of your sales professionals delivers the company presentation, the prospect thinks, "Wow, they must want our business. They sent me their best sales associate." Our premise for this course is every sales professional, even the most experienced, can improve their presentations and results by understanding what most salespeople do that does not work and not doing it. Learning new techniques as they relate to sales conversations and presentations. Revisiting what you are now doing and applying the new techniques. Then practicing them consistently until they become second nature. Making more effective presentation skills a team or corporate goal. You've got it, because without consistency, there is no true quality. Now, to make sure you've been paying attention, let's answer a couple of questions. You will have a seemingly unfair advantage when your competition